Today I am going to explain orthogonal trajectories of curves in polar form. Already we discussed orthogonal trajectories concept in Cartesian form. To find the orthogonal trajectories of a curve in polar form is always in the form f r theta c. F of r comma theta comma c, where c is a arbitrary constant. Now the three steps I am going to explaining what is the method to solve the orthogonal trajectories of curves in polar form. Form its differential equation in the form of f of r comma theta comma dr by d theta is equal to 0. Given equation is f of r theta c. Differentiating this with respect to theta, we get f of r theta dr by d theta is equal to 0 by eliminating the arbitrary constant c also. By constructing this, we can eliminate the arbitrary constant c. Right. Next, replace the differential equation in the above differential equation f of r theta dr by d theta. In the place of dr by d theta, I am writing minus r square into d theta by dr. Then solve the differential equation. We get orthogonal trajectories of family of curves. So first one, what should we do? Differentiating this to eliminate the arbitrary constant c. Replace dr by d theta by minus r square into d theta by dr. తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? ఈక్వేషన్ ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఆఫ్ పోలార్ ఫార్మ్ కర్వ్ వస్తుంది. సో నౌ ఐ యామ్ టేకింగ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఫైండ్ ద ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీస్ ఆఫ్ cardioids r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. We know it's a very familiar curve. R is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta is the equation of cardioid. Solution is, so here a is the arbitrary constant. Now I have to remove this arbitrary constant a by differentiating one time. R is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta is my first equation. Now differentiating this with respect to theta, dr by d theta is equal to a into constant, one derivative 0 minus cos theta derivative is minus of minus plus sin. This is nothing but a into sin theta. So dr by theta is equal to a into sin theta. After that I am eliminating the arbitrary constant a from equation 1 and 2. Now I am going to eliminating a from equation 1 and 2, right? Now eliminate a from both equation 1 and 2. For that I am substituting a value in equation 2. For that from 1 a is equal to r by 1 minus cos theta, substituting in equation 2. dr by d theta is equal to r by 1 minus cos theta. This is the value of a into sin theta. So that dr by theta is equal to r sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. It is equation 3. So this is the form of it is the structure of f of r comma theta comma dr by d theta. Here c is eliminated. Now I am going to replace dr by d theta in place of dr by d theta minus r square into d theta by dr. So replace dr by d theta by minus r square into d theta by dr in the above equation 3. Minus r square into d theta by dr instead of dr by d theta, which is equal to r into sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. This implies both sides r will be cancelled. Minus r into d theta by dr is equal to this is the sin theta means from trigonometry 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, we know that 2 sin square theta by 2. Both numerator denominator 2 will cancel. Sin theta by 2 get cancelled. Then we get minus r into d theta by dr is equal to cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 is equal to what? This is equal to minus r into d theta by dr is equal to cos theta by, this is equal to cot theta by 2. This is cot theta by 2. Minus r into d theta by dr is equal to cot theta by 2. Now I want to solve this differential equation. For that this is minus r d theta is equal to cot theta by 2 into dr. but variables are not separated. Variables are not separated, so that interchanging these two terms, so d theta by minus d theta by cot theta by 2 is equal to 1 by r into dr. Minus d theta by cot theta by 2 is equal to 1 by r into dr. So just multiplying dr this side, but variables are not separated, so that d theta by cot theta by 2 minus this is equal to 1 by r into dr. This means minus integral tan theta by 2 into d theta is equal to integral 1 by r into dr. What is the integration of minus tan theta by 2? Integration of minus tan theta by 2 is equal to minus of integration of tan theta by 2 is equal to minus log cos mod cos theta by 2, because of integration of tan theta is equal to log mod minus log mod cos theta or log mod sec theta. I can use minus log mod cos theta by 2 by inner here theta by 2, for that I can write 1 by 2 is equal to integration of 1 by r means log r. This is log r. I am taking the integral constant is log c. So that this is minus minus plus, this is 2 times of log mod cos theta by 2 is equal to log r plus log c, log rc. Log r plus log c is equal to log rc. From this n log x is equal to log x power n, log cos square theta by 2 is equal to log rc, which is equal to cos square theta by 2 is equal to rc, because of log x is equal to log y, then x is equal to y. From this r is equal to rc is equal to cos square theta by 2. Cos square theta by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos theta. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to, because of we know that cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Therefore 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to, this is plus c plus cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos. So this means by 2. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole by 2 is equal to rc. Cos square theta by 2, we know that cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus 1. For this cos square theta by is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole by 2 is equal to this one. This implies r is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2 into c is equal to r. 1 plus cos theta into c is equal to r. From this I am going to write r is equal to, in terms of r is equal to c by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. C by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. R is equal to c by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So c is constant, 2 is also constant. I can take this as r is equal to some a dash into 1 plus cos theta, where a dash is the arbitrary constant, a dash is equal to c by 2. A dash is equal to c by 2. C is constant, arbitrary constant, so that a dash is also arbitrary constant. R is equal to a dash into 1 plus cos theta. This is called as a orthogonal trajectories of families of given curve. What is the given curve is? Given curve is r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. R is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta is a cardioid, whose cardioid orthogonal trajectories family in the form of r is equal to a dash into 1 plus cos theta. Just it is minus, this is the plus. Then arbitrary constants are changed. This is the way to calculating orthogonal trajectories of families of in polar form. Just first I am replacing dr by d theta by minus r square into dr by d theta by ఏం చేయాలి మనం dr by d theta ప్లేస్లో మైనస్ r square into d theta by dr రాయాలి. ఆ వచ్చిన డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఐదర్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ మెథడ్స్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కావచ్చు, నాన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కావచ్చు, వేరియబుల్ సెపరేబులా, హోమోజీనియసా, లీనియరా, ఏ విధంగా ఉందో చూసుకుంటూ ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీస్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ సొల్యూషన్ అంటాం. సో ద ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్. దీనిలో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే స్పెషాలిటీ, ఈ ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్స్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్ ఇది అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు? దీనికి ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్ ఇదైనప్పుడు దీనికి ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్ ఇది అవుతుంది. వైస్ వర్స, ఒకదానికి ఇంకోటి ఆర్థోగోనల్ ట్రాజెక్టరీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇదే మోడల్గా రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.